Hello guys, in this video we will see what is Rockstar Launcher error in depth and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step on understanding Rockstar Launcher error. What content Rockstar Launcher error? This typically indicates a problem with the integrity of your game files or a corruption within the Rockstar Games Launcher itself, preventing it from properly initiating or running Grand Theft Auto. This error often surfaces when the launcher fails to verify essential game assets, encounters damaged installation, components, or experiences conflicts that block its interaction with the game's core files. It suggests that critical data required for the game to launch correctly is either missing, corrupted, or inaccessible to the launcher.
Step verify game files via Rockstar Games Launcher content. The most common solution for error, but involves verifying the integrity of your the game files directly through the Rockstar Games Launcher. To do this, open the Rockstar Games Launcher, navigate to your Grand Theft Auto entry within your library, and locate the settings or gear icon usually positioned next to the play button. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, select the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. The launcher will then scan your game installation for any corrupted or missing files and automatically download and replace them, which can resolve underlying data integrity issues causing the error. Step: clear Rockstar Games Launcher cache. Content corrupted or outdated cache files within the Rockstar Games Launcher can sometimes lead to error by interfering with its normal operation. To clear the launcher cache, first ensure the Rockstar Games Launcher is completely closed, including from your system tray. Then navigate to the following directory. In File Explorer, choose your username documents Rockstar Game Social Club. Delete all the contents within the Social Club folder. Alternatively, some cache data might reside in Grand Theft Auto Rockstar Games Launcher cache. Deleting the contents of this folder can also be beneficial. After deleting the cache, restart the Rockstar Games Launcher and attempt to launch it again. Step: reinstall the Rockstar Games Launcher content. If verifying game files and clearing the cache do not resolve error, the Rockstar Games Launcher itself might be corrupted and require a complete reinstallation. Begin by uninstalling the Rockstar Games Launcher through your Windows control panel. Add or remove programs and features. After uninstallation, manually check and delete any residual files by navigating to Program Files Rockstar Games and deleting the launcher folder if it still exists. Next, download the latest version of the Rockstar Games Launcher installer from the official Rockstar Games website. Run the installer as an administrator to ensure proper installation. Then log in and try to launch it. Step: check antivirus, firewall, and system updates. Content in some instances error can be triggered by external factors such as overzealous antivirus software, firewall restrictions, or outdated system components. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, then attempt to launch it to determine if they are interfering. If the game launches, add exceptions for both Grand Theft Auto and the Rockstar Games Launcher within your security software settings. Additionally, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated to the latest version, as critical system updates often include compatibility fixes. Finally, verify that your graphics drivers are current, as outdated drivers can sometimes contribute to unexpected game launch errors.